We'll guide you through how to split or trim a video on TikTok with the editor. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Here we are on TikTok, and so you've got a video you want to trim or split in the TikTok editor or in the editing studio or whatever you want to call it. You can follow this whether you have the video already in your gallery or perhaps you just recorded it in TikTok. It doesn't matter, we're going to guide you through this step by step. Make sure this full guide so you know what to do. So to get started, I'm going to go and press the plus create button in the middle at the bottom to open the camera. Select post right at the bottom and you can set your time. So you could go and start recording by pressing the red button, holding it down as you usually would, or you can open up your gallery by pressing it in the bottom left. I'm just going to go and record this now, and I'll just do a quick example. Of course, you can have multiple clips, it doesn't matter. Then we can press the tick in the bottom right. Now, to go and start editing it, what you can do is either you can go and swipe up from the bottom like so, or alternatively, you can go over to the right, press the arrow at the bottom of the list so you can see the names, and you can press edit at the top of the list, the square with the arrows either side. The editor will now go and open up, or the editing studio, and you can go and see your video here. Let me just select that sound and delete it. So what you can do is go and select the video. If you've got multiple, you have to repeat this. With it selected, you can go and trim the start and end points by tapping and holding on the arrow, like so. And if you want to go and move a part in the middle or go and split a part out, with it selected, choose where you want to go and start and press split. Then choose you want to go and make another split and move the cursor by dragging it. And then you can press split again. And then you can go and select that part you just split. And at the bottom, you can select delete and it's then deleted. Then you can go and tap on the back button in the top left and you can go and continue editing it. And you can even start posting by pressing next in the bottom right and follow through. If you found this useful, then leave a like.